Okay, hi guys. Now this is the fourth part in data link layer, the second layer in computer networking. I'm gonna explain about the networking, the protocol that we find in data link layer. The first protocol is PAR protocol, or called PAR protocol, or called the Positive Acknowledgement Retransmission Protocol. P from positive, acknowledgement from A, and A from acknowledgement, and R from retransmission protocol. So the Positive Acknowledgement Retransmission Protocol. What this is a protocol is work, how it's work under these assumption. So if the channel may be damaged or lose the frame, so we have the 1-bit sequences in the number. If the protocol now, if we have this situation, the protocol operation, it be send the frame and wait for the A will send the frame and wait for B to acknowledge. Now after the acknowledge for time occurred, the frame will be do the transmission, and if there is nothing, then that will be, if any duplication, that will be rejected from B. So the A will send it to the B will know it and wait for transmission. If it's not, we do again. If there is any duplication, will be rejected by B, because no allow frame duplication in the frame. Then if we have rejected the frame with error, then now we need to apply this formula. We need to calculate the best utilization to be able to detect the error, or to be able to correct it if there is any duplication rejected from another station or any error in that rejection. The best utilization equal time to transmission frame divided by time to transmission frame plus a round trip time. The reason why we use this, because when A send the frame to the B and B waiting to acknowledge the frame that's sent by A, it will be take several time to transmission the frame from A, and divided by transmission time to transmission from A plus rounded trip time, it will be when it goes from A to B, and then if not, then we'll be waiting again until B retransmission. So it's going to be take all round time. Then we can calculate the best utilization through the PAR protocol, the Positive Acknowledgement Retransmission Protocol. The second type of protocol called the Sliding Window Protocol, and Sliding Window Protocol are the sender and receiver. So we'll have two windows, sender window, receiver window. The sender message will be have from 0 to 7, the same as the receiver, but there is something different in that. The protocol, sliding window protocols, is working like sliding. The sender window and the both of them and receiver window is not have the same. They need to be the same lower and upper limit. It should be both of them not necessary to have the same lower and upper limit, or even the same size. So it's be different for lower and upper limit, even is we gonna be different with the different size for the sender window and the receiver window. So for these two types of windows, sender and receiver, slide, and then what the sender slide they have. Initially, the window size should be started with 0, so that should be the minimum size in the sender window should be started with 0. Always started with 0 from the sender size as the minimum. So any new frame sended will be gonna be next higher number sequence, which mean if we started the 0, if sended message, then after that gonna be 1, after gonna be 2, after gonna be 3, 4, 5, and whatever it should be half good. So initially the window should be started with 0 at minimum, and any new frame sended will be get to the next highest sequence number, and the window would use with upper edges of advance by 1. So when acknowledgement come into the lower edge, this side, it be advanced by 1, so the one, and as well the sender need to buffer all acknowledgement frames if there is any extra frames, and as well if there is any extra frame, then stop the transmission of the window in the maximum side. So if the size is 7 here in this example, then you go started by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 until reach the 7, then stop the transmission. Now we look for the receiver window. The receiver window is it be desecrate any frame outside the window. If there is any, they look for the frame. If there is any frame they doesn't like it, then they desecrate it. They rotated the window by 1, the frame that it received, and match it to the lower edge from the sender. The receiver window, it's maximize the size opposite of the sender window, so even it's maximize its opposite one. Any host will be unusual, so they will looking for anything they receive it, a frame or any messages on transmission unusual, they will not take it by receiver, they will leave it as it like they leave it. And sender and receiver, both of them, they working independently. This is the two protocols it use it, and this is the end of it. Any questions, please put it in the comment. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and I hope you like the video, and I hope my information is interesting to you. Thank you.